What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 text reaction not working. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the option messages. Now click on it and then click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory and data of your messages app. After that, go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.